So what we're going to do, we're going to read the pin code on the donor ECU. As you can see, guys, this is exactly same, 5446. That means everything is transferred nicely. Hello everyone, it's Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning BCM. As you can see, I got two BCM here. Those two BCM is for Vauxhall Oscar. I think it's 2016. As you can see, guys, this is the actual donor BCM, and this is the original BCM from the car. As you can see, guys, they both exactly same part number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use OBDSTAR today to try to do the cloning process. So let's go back to the OBDSTAR. Just turn it on. So let's go to the ECU flash. We just say accept. From here we go to the body control. We just say enter. From here we go to the brand. So this is the GM, same as Vauxhall, Opel, and we go to the module. So it's a BCM body control module, and this module is Bosch, and I think that's the actual BCM. Yeah, this is the actual MCU number, and this is the EEPROM number. So we're gonna go to the pinout. So we have to use the P004 adapter. We just say okay, and this is the actual wiring pinout. It's very easy wiring pinout. It's got 2 plus, 1 minus, can low and can high. So I'm gonna do the wiring and then I'll be back. So this is the original one. So we're gonna get all the data from this. So well, guys, that's all the wiring diagram is done. So let's go back to the OBDSTAR. So we just go back from here, back. So we're gonna say start. Okay. So from here we're gonna say ECU information. So switch off the ignition. The actual switch is off. We just say okay. Now we're gonna turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. We just say okay. Now it's trying to do communication with the actual body control module. So this is actual all the part number, VIN number, everything is here. We just say okay. So now we're gonna say connect. So now everything is connect. So from here we're gonna get the EEPROM. Alright, we just save this. Save that one as ORG. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna read the flash. Alright, so now we're gonna save this one. We're gonna save this one. Let me just go here. Just gonna save that one as ORG. okay. Alright, now we're gonna read the pin code. So I just take the picture of the pin code. Alright, so alright, this is the actual pin code 5406. That's the pin code from the original ECU. We just say okay. Now we're going to disconnect it. We just say yes. So we're gonna switch off, and then I'm going to connect the donor ECU, and I'll be back. So connect the connect the actual donor ECU back to the OBDSTAR. So now we're gonna turn the ignition on, and then we go back to the OBDSTAR. So we just do that, and now we're gonna say connect. Alright, so everything is connected. So we're gonna read the pin code from the donor. As you can see, guys, this is the actual original pin code, and that's the donor pin code. So we just say okay, and from here we're gonna go to write the EEPROM. We just load the data from here. We just say okay, and then we say okay. Now we're gonna look for the EEPROM. As you can see, guys, this is the actual EEPROM. Yeah, that's the one. We just say this one, and then we say okay. We just say yes. Now we're gonna write the flash. We just load the file from here. We just say okay. So we go all the way down. Yeah, this is the actual flash here. We just say that one. We say okay. Yes. So everything is successful. So what we're going to do, we're going to read the pin code on the donor ECU. As you can see, guys, this is exactly the same, 5446. That means everything is transferred nicely. So what we're going to do, we're going to just disconnect from here. We just say okay, and we just switch off from here, and then we take off all the wiring here, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you clone the body control module on Vauxhall Astra 2016. So you don't need to do anything. That module now is gonna start the car without any problem. Just plug and play. You don't need to do any programming, coding, nothing. So that is gonna start the car straight away. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there's some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.